Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Super L from Alphabet Lore. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines. I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the eyes. Let's draw a curve down here. Then from the top, let's angle it down towards the right. Then a line down. And then a curve at the bottom to close it off. Next, let's move over and draw the right eye. On the top, let's draw a curve up, and then angle it down. Then let's bring it down, and curve it back in. Next, inside each eye, let's draw curves across near the top. Now inside the left eye, let's draw a U shape on the left here. And the same thing in the other eye here. Now on the top left, let's draw another small U. A longer U inside on the right. A circle in the center. And now let's draw the pupil behind with curves like this. And then let's color it in black. And that's it for the eyes. Let's move down and draw the mouth next. On the bottom right, let's draw a small angle out. And then let's curve it back over to the left. Now let's leave a space and let's draw a bent line on the left here. And now underneath on the right, let's draw an S-shaped curve down. Next, let's hop up above the right eye and let's draw a small line up. Next, let's move over and draw the left side. Let's start on the top here and draw a curve down, out, and back in. Now let's hop back up to the top and draw the headband. We'll start with a curve across connecting the two sides. Then small lines up on both sides. And then another curve across. Now in the center on top here, let's draw a small oval. And now let's erase the overlapping lines inside. And lastly, one more oval inside. And that's it for the headband. Let's move up and draw the hair now. On the top left, let's draw a curve up and then back down. And let's do the same thing on the right. Now on the left, let's draw another curve up and down. Another curve up to the top. And then an S-shaped curve down to close it off. And that's it for the hair. Let's move down and draw the bottom of the body now. Underneath the right line, let's draw a curve out to the right, like this. Then from the end, let's curve it down and in. And now at the bottom, let's continue it over to the left. And now let's close it off with a wavy line like this. And lastly, inside on the right here, let's draw a small curve and one more underneath. And that's it for Super L. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!